The strand is made of mainly three components. One is a polymeric material, which enable this material to draw into fibers, and then another material, which is actually called hyaluronic acid. It's very similar to our skin, enable the fiber to contact with the skin. And then a final very important ingredient is a semiconducting polymer that actually is able to transfer the electrical signal from the body. It's really difficult to measure ECG on a baby, for example, continuously. Okay, so there will be a very important application. You put these tiny fibers, don't interfere with them, and then they can actually, the ECG can be continuously measured.